Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer rewards points to airlines with Citi. Travel guide step by step clearly. To transfer rewards points to airlines with Citi, start by logging into your Citi account. Locate the rewards section on your dashboard. Choose the option for transferring points. Select the airline program you wish to transfer points to. Review the transfer ratios for your chosen airline. Ensure that your airline frequent flyer account is linked to your Citi account. If it's not, navigate to the section to add or link accounts. Enter your airline account details as required. Once linked, return to the Transfer Points section. Enter the amount of points you wish to transfer. Confirm that all information is accurate before proceeding. Click the Transfer button to initiate the process. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is successful. Check your airline account to verify the points have been credited. Be aware that transfers may take some time to reflect in your airline account. If you experience any issues, consider contacting Citi customer service for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to make the most of your Citi rewards points. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.